Hey guys, it's your boy, Beast Boy, here with you today, bringing you another video. So today we are going to have a tour of the accommodation. So guys, we are basically going to look at my room, how it looks like. It's not completely ready. I have to get a lot of things done, but like I want to show you guys the basic infrastructure, how it looks like and how big my room is compared to my well, older room. And yeah, let's look at it. Let's start. Before we get into the video, I get it. It's hard, okay? I've done it. It's hard to subscribe to a channel and watch it. But like you watching this video makes a big difference. So go hit that subscribe button because it will make a huge difference in your life, because I'll keep entertaining you. And yeah. And by the way, the like goal for this video is 25 likes. So go like the video. I know it's hard, but just scroll down a bit and do it. Just do it. So guys, I'm gonna start one by one. So this is the main door. That's my towel. You don't need to look at that. I'm gonna switch on the light so you guys can see very less. Never mind, I have to switch it on anyways. Okay, this is my small space over here. The space goes up till there. And this is my washroom. Yeah, this is my washroom. Here is the cupboard. This one has just got my big ass luggage. It doesn't even fit properly. I can't close this completely, but it doesn't matter. This is my clothes section. So first one is like jumpers and everything, and then the one which makes me maybe look cool, my jeans are at the back. I need this in my life. I don't have any. Okay, here is my like half shirts and everything. My jerseys are down there. Then when it gets a bit more colder, then I go at the bottom and take out all these jackets. Then here is my table. It's my table, my laptop, MacBook. Then this is my tripod stand. This is where I'm gonna be recording videos. There's gonna be more of the equipments coming through. Then first one is this is like a small medicine section, my drugs, all of it. This is my passport, and these are my speakers. These are pretty loud, like very, very loud. And this candle smells absolutely amazing. I recommend it to all of you. And then got my sunglasses. Here is all my things, you know, when I go out after quarantine. Right now I'm in quarantine in London, but like when I go out, this is all my stuff which I'm going to be taking. This is when I come back from outside, so I need to sanitize myself. And yeah, basically these are my utensils all up there. I kept it inside because I don't want, like, you know, it's coronavirus time. So after my quarantine is done, I'm gonna keep all this out, and you know, this will look much cleaner. And here are all my food stuff and, you know, items which I'm gonna eat. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be able to finish all of this, but my mom has given me a lot of things to eat. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna finish all that. Then yeah, I have this. My view this time is not the greatest, but it's fine. It's actually fine. I got a little small garden over here. Then that side is the dome area. Yeah, pretty much it. This is my room. This is my bed over here. Don't mind the bed sheet. I haven't got a lot of bed sheets with me, but it's cute. Yeah. And yeah, and there is a space at the bottom as well to keep my stuff, but I haven't kept anything down there. And This is a little mini fridge which I'm sure I'm not gonna use. Yeah, this is pretty much my room. Let's go up. This is my room. I exit from here. This is the hallway. Here you can hear everything. If anyone's talking in this hallway, you can hear it in your room. But when they are in the kitchen, you can't hear anything. So we got a chilling place. This is the sofa right over here. We sometimes sit, chill, drink, you know, all the usual stuff. I can't even speak properly. And then this is a dining table where we, you know, again chill. We are teenagers, we can't do anything else. Yeah, and then we have one fridge here, one fridge there, and we got an oven. I think someone got this. I don't think it belongs here, but yeah, we got a mixer to keep all this stuff. And right now, as you can see, I'm wearing masks, so all my homies stay safe from me. Yeah, because I'm quarantined for 14 days, so I'm, you know, trying to not touch a lot of things in the kitchen, so all my homies stay safe. Okay, now I'm going back to my room to chill out. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.